Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Today we have a craft for the little ones, a little pine cone bunny, super cute and easy to make. Let's take a look and find out more. So to make our pine cone bunnies, we'll need a pine cone. We found some sticks, but you can use toothpicks or paper or ribbon. Some googly eyes if you want, or you can cut some out from paper and draw some eyes on. Some felt, again, you can cut paper if you haven't got felt. And we are going to be using some cotton wool. Now we love using cotton wool because it's super tactile, but you can use other things. You could try it with, I don't know, some loo roll. You could try it with wool, white wool. You know, have a look and see what you've got. But we're going to use cotton wool. We don't have the little balls this time, so we're just scrunching up these pads. And basically you just take it and you start pushing in to your pine cone. Now we made little snowy owls like this before. They're super cute and I love the snowy owls, and it was the snowy owls that made us think, hang on a minute, this could work really well as a cute little Easter bunny as well. I love the contrast between the super soft cotton wool and the sort of slight prickliness of the pine cone, so that's fun. Really nice tactile project. And yeah, we'll just keep doing this and then we're going to decorate it as a bunny. Let's get our twigs, make some little whiskers. And you can probably just push them in, but you might also want to just add a little bit of glue to secure them, which is what I'm going to do because I don't want them coming out afterwards. So I'm going to just actually use some Pritt stick. If you use enough of it, it actually sticks really well. So it's a bit less messy than using PVA glue. Find a bit that looks like the front. Here we go. It's going to be, actually no, I want it up here. Make up your mind. A bit of glue. So I'm just putting a nice big blob on, and then I'm just going to push it in. Time for some googly eyes and a little nose. I'm going to cut a little . You can just cut a little triangle, or I'm going to cut a little heart. And some googly eyes. What size should we have them? Should we make big ones? I like big ones. Cut out some ears. So get scissors that allow you to cut felt or paper. I've got some little gold ones, they're really good for it, but I can't find them anywhere. It's typical, isn't it? So I'm going to cut out 2 ears. Right, so once you've got all your little bits, it's time to glue them together. And again, just a bit of glue, you know, a good amount of Pritt stick on the glue should work, but PVA glue is good too. And then just try and secure all your parts in place as best you can. So you noticed I picked a part where the nose would be able to go easily. And then the last thing is we're just going to glue these together and pop them in. Hot glue gun would work really well, of course, but if you're working with little ones, you don't really want to use a hot glue gun. It always surprises me how a good glue stick does actually glue really well. So I'm just going to pop this kind of on the back, and then we can just squish it in. Put some at the front and the back actually. And then again, just squish it in. There we go. A super cute little pine cone bunny is finished. And this is the one my daughter made. So she folded it round and just glued it on the top that way. So really just to have a little fiddle and get it on. And I think these Pinecone bunnies are super duper cute. Now, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep making, keep watching, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.